Hi guys, good morning. So right now I'm with Vanessa. She do some yard work. Remember them time with a broom. Show them how you do it.
So.
Bob. 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 Yeah, get them some? So, yeah, so I just have some porridge now and then I'm gonna get my hair done, you people. So, I'm gonna stay tuned for the glow up, baby. So, that's what's up. So, guys, this is my breakfast. Corn porridge with some cinnamon leaf. You know them style, eh? So, that's what I'm gonna have right now. On the Sunday. Oh, yes, so people. So I realize I never get to show you guys my hair. So I'm just show you like 1-2 days after. This is how it look. So yeah, what hairstyle should I do next for the Christmas? I'm planning for the one bob. Yes. Yeah, simple. What do you call this color again? I think I break on there. I'm not. No, cherry. Cherry is something like that. I'm not really break on with this. So yeah. Brother, I make breakfast, you know. Egg, and then I'm gonna make some tea, some bush tea, so you know, yeah, then try the egg toast. Yeah, do it too? Guys, cooking I go on so that's how nice to something here. You just buy half a bread. I do bread. But I want my egg burner too crispy. Bread I go cut you now. Guys, let me know if you can cut your bread even like say you buy the slice of it at the supermarket.
Of course.
But can't do my bread them that always lean. Then I can lean still, but it's not bad. Thank you. Try it back now. Oh yeah, you have some else. I don't want more bread, you know? Don't do it so much bread. Guys, my bread there, you know? Tell me what you're gonna do.
Steve 2 leaf or 5-3, you know?
What kind of leaf?
Lime leaf.
For do what?
Put in your stuff.
Yeah, so guys, that way I have lime leaf for tea.
And soursop leaf.
How the soursop there?
See it here.
Pick two of the soursop there, no?
Okay.
All natural people, you see it? So now all the time you have for thingy.
Use tea bag.
Tea bag or chocolate mix. Sometimes you have to go for the natural leaf outside door. Show them. So that one here are the lime people and that one here the soursop. So that's what's up. So yeah. I want to drop in the soursop. I can go on boil or dry, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
Wash off wash off lime. You need so much lime if you want. Master. All natural people, see? If you don't have money for you understand. All natural sometimes. What the other one could I use again? Mint.
Eat there, lime.
Yeah, drop it. Yeah,
More Italian dish.
because you want to know it's nice to see, you don't want people know. I don't know, see that in a process every day.
We gotta make it dry now.
Yeah. What's all like that for make it dry still? What's that make it go and boil up people? I used to come brother boy bury my sausage. So I go still, thank you. Make a bread. So that's what's up. My fried tea more now. Guys, this is my tea. I'm gonna just add a little bit of sugar. So yeah. So people, the video is how it's done. No, I'm gonna find the video done. So, but me and brother gotta know we're gonna roast some breadfruit, but we're not gonna roast another video here. We're gonna roast it on my next upload. I mean, I'm working on this. Waiting on this? No. You guys know where I stay. My vlog them normally short. But guys, what you like? Long vlog? Short vlog? Well, you know, comment that and tell me all now, you know. So anyways, me I go done the video, you know. I'm go roast the breadfruit with my country brother and thing. So tomorrow now, for breakfast we can have fried breadfruit and tin mackerel or fried breadfruit with some fried saltfish. Yeah, that bad, you know. So basically, yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy, remember for crap on the merch. So that's it, right? So you can crap on the merch if you don't want it. When you can follow me on TikTok, I start post often on TikTok. When you can follow me on Instagram, when you can follow me on Snapchat, and follow me on Twitter. Follow me, and if you're not subscribed, but I'm have to tell you this all the time. People don't know for subscribe, road to 10K. If I'm doing vlogmas for all the comments, I'm planning to do vlogmas. I plan to do vlogmas. Rain go fall. I just lunchtime now. Oh, I remember that earlier in the video I mentioned that we were gonna cook. Yeah, we finished cook. But let me show you my food first, and then I come back in the vlog. Yeah, so I'm going to the kitchen and show you more lunch. I did my best favorite. So if you know what's my favorite food to cook, comment below. Okay, well let me show you still. I'll be back. Guys, watch it. Turkey necking up people. What I'm saying, Brandon done shell female already. Some shelly rice done by Brandon. Shelly. So guys, so that was prepared. So if you comment turkey neck, ding, you definitely got it correct. So a lot of them not really do a cooking video. I'm not gonna watch me now, but you know, life happen, things happen. So I done ramble now because we're not gonna follow one roast of breadfruit now. So let's get into that, and I'll see you guys in the next upload, people. Bye.